Welcome to English Learning Podcast.
Learn English fast with
Real conversations. Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Conversations. Today, we will stay here in the studio and talk about morning routines, because that is something everyone has and can relate to. Anyways, we are glad you are here, and let's get down to practicing English.
Good morning.
Morning. You look really tired today.
Yeah, I barely slept last night.
Same here. I kept waking up every couple of hours.
That's the worst feeling. What time did you finally get up?
Around 7, I think. What about you?
I woke up at 6:30, but I didn't actually get out of bed until almost 7.
Yeah, I always do that. I just lie there and scroll on my phone.
Same. It's such a bad habit, but it's hard to stop.
I know. I tell myself every night that I won't do it in the morning.
And then you do it anyway.
Exactly.
Do you set multiple alarms or just one?
Way too many. Like 5 alarms.
Same here. I don't trust myself with just one.
Yeah, I always hit snooze at least twice.
Same. Sometimes I don't even remember turning them off.
That's kind of scary.
Yeah, a little.
So, what's the first thing you actually do after getting up?
I usually go straight to the kitchen and make coffee.
Same. Coffee is the first priority.
Always. I can't even think before coffee.
Same. I feel like a completely different person after my first cup.
Do you drink it black or with milk?
Usually with a little milk. What about you?
Black. I got used to it over time.
I tried that, but it's too strong for me.
Yeah, it takes time to get used to.
Do you eat breakfast right away?
Not always. Sometimes I just have coffee first.
Same. I'm usually not hungry immediately.
Yeah, it takes me a while to feel hungry.
What do you eat when you do have breakfast?
Something quick. Toast, eggs, maybe yogurt.
That sounds good.
What about you?
Usually something simple like a banana or cereal.
That's easy.
Do you ever cook something more proper in the morning?
Not really during weekdays. I don't have time.
Yeah, same. Maybe on weekends.
Exactly. Weekends are different.
Yeah, I actually enjoy breakfast on weekends.
Same here.
Do you check your phone while eating?
Yeah, almost always.
Same. It's another bad habit.
I know. I try to stop, but it's hard.
Yeah, especially with notifications and everything.
Exactly.
Do you ever go for a walk in the morning?
Not often, but I'd like to start.
Same. It seems like a good way to wake up.
Yeah, get some fresh air.
Exactly.
What about working out?
I wish. I'm not a morning workout person.
Same. I have more energy in the evening.
Yeah, mornings are just slow.
Exactly.
Do you listen to anything while getting ready?
Sometimes music.
Same. It helps me wake up.
Yeah, or a podcast.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it makes the morning feel more productive.
How long does your whole routine usually take?
Probably around an hour.
Same. Maybe a bit longer if I'm slow.
Yeah, depends on the day.
Do you ever feel rushed in the morning?
All the time?
Same. Especially if I oversleep.
Yeah, then everything feels stressful.
Exactly.
Do you prepare anything the night before?
Sometimes I pick out clothes.
That's smart.
Yeah, it saves time in the morning.
I should start doing that.
It actually helps a lot.
Do you shower in the morning or at night?
Usually in the morning.
Same. It helps me wake up.
Exactly. Cold water, especially.
Yeah, that really wakes you up.
Do you ever skip parts of your routine when you're late?
Yeah, definitely.
Same. Breakfast is usually the first thing to go.
Same here.
Do you drink more than 1 cup of coffee?
Sometimes too.
Same, especially if I'm tired.
Yeah, today might be one of those days.
Definitely.
Do you ever feel productive in the morning?
Sometimes, but not always.
Same. It depends on how well I slept.
Yeah, sleep makes a huge difference.
Do you go outside right after getting ready?
Usually, yeah.
Same. I don't like staying inside too long in the morning.
Yeah, it feels better to get out.
Do you like mornings in general?
Not really. I'm more of a night person.
Same here.
But I wish I liked mornings more.
Yeah, they seem peaceful.
Exactly.
Do you ever watch something in the morning?
Sometimes short videos.
Same. Just something quick.
Yeah, nothing too long.
Do you plan your day in the morning?
Sometimes.
Same. It helps a bit.
Yeah, at least you know what to expect.
Do you ever forget things when you're rushing?
All the time.
Same. Keys, wallet, everything.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Do you double check before leaving?
I try to.
Same.
Do you enjoy your coffee more at home or outside?
At home, it's more relaxing.
Same.
Do you ever wake up early just to have a slow morning?
Sometimes on weekends.
Same. It feels really nice.
Yeah, no stress.
Do you think your routine is healthy?
It could be better.
Same. I want to improve it.
Yeah, small changes maybe.
Like what?
Maybe less phone time.
Yeah, that's a big one.
And maybe going to bed earlier.
Definitely.
Do you think you'll actually change it?
Honestly, probably not right away.
Same. It's hard to change habits.
Yeah, but maybe slowly.
Yeah, one step at a time.
Exactly.
Anyway, I really need another coffee.
Same here.
Let's go get one.
Good idea.
Great job today. That went really well. I hope you had a good time with us. We did, and if you did as well, subscribe to our channel and stay in touch. If you want to speed up your English learning, we recommend you to watch the video one more time. But anyways, thank you for today, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.